Yep.
This is a hind shank, also known as Thor's hammer, which if that's true, that kind of makes me a superhero, yeah? The shank is right here. We got this from our good friends at Butcher Boy. It's a Wagyu shank. Thank you very much. And it costs us about 66 bucks. Not too bad, because it probably will feed 6 people. Let's season it up. We liked when we did this as a binder before, so we're gonna do it again. Oh, you should see what it looks like from out here. We're gonna salt it. It's heavy pepper.
Seasoned in the abyss. It's the Shawshank Redemption.
And that's it for prep. We're leaving it just like this. And I'm also gonna cook it in this pan because look at all of this. Look at all that beautiful marrow. I want that in there because then I'm gonna wrap it and let it rest with all of those juices from the pan. Only spring water goes in my smokers. It's not true. You have smoke. And this is the lazy smoker. So we just put this in here and forget about it. I'm gonna raise the temp a little bit as we go. I'm gonna go maybe a few hours like this, 225, then 250, and finish this thing off at 275 or 300, maybe, until it's like probing, super tender. And then we're gonna wrap it up and let it rest till tomorrow. I feel so lonely. A little Shank Williams. This thing's been rocking for about 4 hours now, 2 hours at 180 degrees. And then while I was running around, actually, I bumped it up to 190. Now we're about to bump it up to 200, maybe 225. We're gonna check the temperature and see where we're at. Yeah, that bark is super set in. Look at that marrow, all liquefied in there. We're still only at about 125 internal. We got some time left still. So as you can see, all of that down there is that beautiful marrow. It's giving itself up out of the bone, and now it's just pooling down there. We're gonna use that when we wrap. After probing this thing and telling it to take us to its leader, we jacked up the temperature to 275, and then we're gonna let it ride till it's about 195, 198. This thing is probing at about 200 up in this area, and 196, 197 down in the bottom areas. You want to get shanked? We're gonna wrap it up like this. All that marrow melted down into there, and we're just gonna fill it up. Like I got me a little tugger, huh? Put it in a 150-degree oven and let it rest overnight. Tomorrow we're gonna knock this thing off the bone and show you just how tender it all is. Hammer of justice crushes you. It's just about midnight, but you know what? I don't really give a shit. This has been resting for 13 hours in a 150-degree oven. Let's unwrap it and see what happened in there and taste this bitch. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, dude, that is good. Wow. It is super smooth and moist. The texture of it is so smooth for some reason. Like, it's almost like pulled pork, but beef. That bark is beautiful. Wham, bam, shank you, ma'am. Quite a long cook, but if you've never done a beef shank before, you have got to try it. I'd put this up against a brisket any day. Bam.